Hi guys, welcome back to Jesse's World. And I don't know if I told you this, but I really wanted a dog, and that's kind of what I got. Before I show you this, I'm gonna give a shout out to Emily, my cousin, and yeah, I'm gonna show you him. Hold on, let's just go over there. Okay, so first I'm going to I have an idea. Okay, right here. I'm going to place you right here. Wait, no. I'm joking. I meant right here. Okay. Can't see anything, right? Okay. Oh yes, I will be showing you maybe some of his tricks too, even though I don't think he has lots of tricks. Oh! Okay, are you ready? His name is Milo, and I will show you him in 3, 2, 1. Dun, 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 dun. This is Milo. He is 6. Okay. Like 6, maybe 6 months old. I don't really know. I'm not keeping track of time. His birthday is May 30th, and yeah. That's him. He knows sit, lay down, stay, fetch. He's learning play dead, but he's not so good at it. But oh yeah, I forgot. He always flips his ear up, and yeah, that's all. But I'm probably gonna make a longer video, so it's not 1 minute. But yeah, okay. So think of, oh wait, if you didn't know, right now it is December, or just 5 days till Christmas. But so I'm going to do something. You can watch me do it because I need to show you something. Here we go. Okay. So now that I put him back to show you this, let's see. If you guys didn't know, a lot of kids around like December, they have these things called Elf on the Shelf. So if you would like to meet mine, today, he drew on my face. Or not exactly, but watch. I'm not sure if you can see that, but, oh yeah, you can see that. Okay. If you're wondering where the elf is, that's where he is. Can you see my face? No, I don't know. Okay, but yeah, that's him. His name is Frost, and right here, as you can see, it says Hi Jazzy, and it says that. So yeah, but again, I'm gonna say to my cousin, hi Emily. I'm sorry I wasn't making so much videos, guys, but I will try to make more because I don't make a lot of videos. But finally, it's winter break for me. No school. Online school. And I think other people are listening to me in my living room. I don't know if you heard me, but I think, never mind. I guess they're just watching Grinch. But yeah, I'm just so excited for Christmas. It's like, what time is it? It's 8:22. Yeah. And, oh, if you were wondering, Milo is not potty trained. And maybe our next video will actually be doing something. But yeah, I don't think you saw, but I have this thing called PSS. It's like something for puppies, and they all get to do all kinds of stuff. I love dogs, like so much. That's why I got Milo. But I used to always argue and cry. I was like, Mom, I want a dog. I mean, we used to have a dog, like a big German Shepherd Husky mix. Her name was Sadie, and she was really big, even though she was a puppy. But like, I was like, but I want another dog now, and that's what happened. So yeah, and it's really cool making videos, being a YouTuber, but not a lot of people watch my videos, so that's kind of sad. But it's okay, because we're learning how to edit this stuff, like maybe add some stuff. So let's see, can we try to maybe put a heart right here? There? No? Is it working? I don't know, but okay, I'm gonna go. Thank you guys for watching this video about It's not exactly about anything, just the elf and dog pieces. But that's all. We're gonna talk about more and maybe do something in the next video. See you guys. Don't exactly know when, but you ready? 3, 2, 1.